Hi guys, my name is Julius. I hope you're enjoying our previous Python videos. So in this course, we're going to talk about modules and packages. So what are modules? Modules are just simple Python program files. So mostly now we are dealing with the basics of Python. But when it comes to projects, you'll be dealing with large complex programs, and it will need for the programs to be arranged, and this is the best way to arranging them in files. So we have the basic core now breakdown of the project can be a project can be broken down into packages, different packages, and now the packages can be broken down simpler into modules. So we are going to look into the steps of from the project perspective, how you break it to packages, and now these packages how they work, and also the modules how they work. So let's go ahead and launch our Python IDE. Me, I'm using PyCharm, but in no case you're using any other IDE, because there's no problem. The same step goes for every other, so long as it's Python. So I have my project called project 2 here, Python project 2. I want to input. Let's start with how to start up with the project package. Just go to the project here, right click, go to new, then go to the Python package file. Then I'll name my package. I'll name my package to be, let's say, clothes. Let's say you're in a market store. I'll name it clothes. So you'll notice that it is coming up with an internal file called underscore int py, and that's how you know that your package file is complete. So from the package file, of course, I told you we have a project here. Project goes to package. Now break down package into a file, into, let's call it now go into modules. So from these clothes, we can, let's say we are in a store, you can have clothes, then you have women clothes. So then right click, new, then if you want to add a file, you go to Python file, then you create the name of your file. So let's call it kids clothes, then enter. So we have already created our package, and inside our package of clothes we have created a kids clothes module. So let's see how this works. Now you can go to this kids clothes and start programming. Let's say you want to have a function def. So let's say I want to program, let's say, something. Let's start with a simple program just to print. So let's just print. Let's say these are children clothes. Yeah, so let's print something like that. Then now we go to main. So you see the main is not there, but how to import a package, a file from a package back to the main project, that's our main deal here. So we come here and say import. Import what? It will be import clothes dot kids clothes. Yeah, so import clothes dot kids clothes. So you will see that if I run this program from the main project, it will import the whatever program I wrote in the kids file into the main project. So let's go ahead and run our program. You see in my terminal bar, these are kids' clothes. The project had been successfully run. And there is another different method on how we can import this file rather than using this import dot, because in this format you're importing the package, then dot the module. So let's go ahead and use the next method rather than using this one. You can say from clothes import kids clothes, just that way. Yeah. And this is another method you can use to do the same thing you just did. So let's go ahead and run this program. Yeah, they are children's clothes. So even in my terminal, it indicates that the program. Now let's do something fun. In the module of kids clothes, let's come up with something to print the price lists, that the shirt to be $20, trouser $30, socks $10. Then using the try exception method for the user to input the values, to input whatever choice he or she thinks that is the best. So after inputting, then we'll display this thank you for choosing our product, which I have placed here as a choice method. Please wait for you to be served. Coming back to the main program, then importation is the same. You can import this program by first you can just import the program by import. What are you importing? The package first, clothes dot, then the module. So the module is kids clothes. Yeah. So let's run it. Let's now see. As you can see, the shirts are $20, trouser $30, socks $10. So let's input the choice. If my choice is trouser, and realize that then thank you for choosing your trousers. Please wait to be served. So let's make it interesting. Let's place a new line here. Let's go back to the program and let's try to change a few things here. So you can place here. Let's try to display something different. Let's use multi-line display method. Then we go. Say thank you for shopping with us. When you use double, triple quote, you can display text in a paragraph format. So that's what I'm using right now. Shopping with us. Modules. Let's place this in caps because it's like a store. Module clothes are the best. Then what has it chosen? Let's display choice. Just display. I just click here. Choice what it has chosen is Let's just display this one. So go back to the original program. Let's run our program. Now let's come back to the window. So shirts are $20, trousers are $30, socks $10. Now let's enter the choice. So the choice. Let's take shirt this time. Shirts. Thank you for shopping with us. Mojo clothes are the best. Shirts. So guys, that's the basics of using package and modules. So you can even come up with different modules. Let's say like this is children clothes, and just come back here to the project, right click, create a new Python file. Let's call it women clothes. Enter. Then even go back here still, right click, new, men's clothes, men's underscore clothes, and more and more and more. So all these programs can be run back to the main program or the main project at the same time. So hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed, and see you in our next Python tutorial.